police. Okay, this is the story building, two-story building with an adjoining one-story building, all filled up with products of NAFDAC concern, filled to the brim. Everything is stacked to the point that you won't have any breathing space anywhere. This is how all the rooms in this place is filled up. Look at it. Everywhere filled up. This is replicated everywhere. Stay up, going up, even down here. Different kinds of product of concern. Controlled drugs, expired drugs. See, this first floor. This is what we have everywhere. Unregistered products, expired products. See what they are using to change the date marking. See the machine for changing the ink. They're changing the date. See everything here. So this one they have worked on already. You see? Real big deal. This is first floor. The validation section. This is other wing. Major village in Mama. These are injectables. These are the things here. With other multivitamin capsules. Everywhere is filled to the brim. Everywhere. Any place you enter, you will be greeted with products. Everywhere you enter, you will be greeted with products. See this part, this section. A lot is here. We have enough security on ground. Army, police. Surprisingly, there's an adjoining section that is filled up. Wait. I don't want to cut this video. Sorry. Alright, so this is about these places were filled up or were evacuated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir. 6, 7, 8. All these 8 places I counted were filled up with materials like this. But they don't been evacuated by all filled like this. Expired. Look at it. Cerebrus. That's what it is. This. How wires they are bringing it out faster. This is it. I won't get you. No. I know what.
You know what, this video really scared me. It only means that we have been living at the mercy of God. In fact, say a lot of us, they go pharmacy, they go buy drugs, and we see they survive, with the drink and they survive. Now only God know. Maybe not even faith. Say we they believe in what we they drink, now they make us see they survive for this country. Because you see these money things, the way we did they survive, they scare me, bro. Now, first things first, how did all these drugs? So basically what happened is that all those drugs, they don't expire. Expired drugs. So that place is a place where they will change the expiring dates. They will relabel them. They will send them back to the streets for people to drink when they are sick. Expired medicine. You see how crazy that is? Now the question is, let's leave the expired medicine. How did all those amount of drugs get into that place? How did they get into that warehouse? And where did they get that so much amount of expired drugs? That's why you're going to say our borders, the custom safe. The custom safe. This thing a big syndicate where they say like this. It go beyond say, no be say they catch this one. Now who they catch be thief. This thing full everywhere. Oh. If it be say this one no settle, because Nigeria na about settlement. Maybe somebody can't lead the information. If you say this one no settle, now why they catch am? Now, basically, what I think happened, you know, so normally, if goods come in from abroad, maybe you supposed to clear them for custom. They no clear them. Normally, custom supposed dispose of those drugs, maybe like to burn them or to sink them. I don't know, but they are supposed to dispose because the thing have expired. For them to get this amount of drugs in one place that is expired, it means say they move on from somewhere. And the only place I can think about now, say they go move on from maybe person where they tell say make you go destroy them. Now ain't can sell them. Maybe. I say now the mercy of God, I watch this thing, I became scared. Now the mercy of God, now they take survive, bro, in this country. Do you know how many people go don't take this drug where they say they don't even survive? Do you know how many people go don't take these drugs where they don't survive? I bet Nigerians, if they buy anything now, I bet they check that label. If it's possible, once you just pay, I bet scratch them. Maybe you go see something under. Because this is crazy. This is crazy. They need to do a deep investigation on customs. Deep investigation on customs. All these sounds will be like this. To me, it be like saying now who they catch, now they be thief. Maybe not because they catch these people now. Now why they out them? That's what I say in the video. Because when they load all those things there, it's that people no see them. Now God they help us, but this is scary. This is scary. I beg, if you want buy drugs now, they check the bag. May no go take what you go come by you. I beg. Better check the bag before you learn, and you might learn the hard way. Who knows? Some people go take drugs where no good, where don't expire. They can't develop cancer. They can't develop kidney problem. They'll develop a lot of crazy diseases. You never know where these things come from. Sometimes that's what they take unconsciously. This is scary, bro. This is very scary. Ha! I beg you, they buy anything, you better don't play with your health. Else you might learn, I might learn the hard way. Don't play.
Yeah, in Nigeria, which country be this kind thing? My correct people not be smart. But wait a minute, too. This is some of the reason why it seems that our so-called Nigerian government, especially the politicians in Nigeria, they prefer going out of the country for their treatment because they know say Nigeria no follow. That country na a year country. I'm sorry to say that too. Nigeria, Nigeria, they come to just it be like say na hellfire. But I don't understand why would someone on a normal sense be accommodating expired medicine? And today's day now having it in bulk like this, I don't get it. How are they being transported? Does it mean they are getting these expired products inside Nigeria, or are they being imported all the way from other countries into Nigeria? You get expired products, all you could do just to change the label, change the expiring date, and shift it back to the market. You're not even considering the risk to people's lives. Honestly, this is something that's my correct people. It is really sad. The way things are happening in the country is something else. If it happened that the so-called Nigerian government cannot do the needful by curtailing the way evil are happening in the country, let us go. Make we split in peace so that every part of the zone, that every part of the country can easily, look very well and scrutinize any iota of evil within their vicinity, within their country, rather than jeopardizing our lives in one Nigeria as it is at the moment. Who is your president? Your president is a very old man. And it's not vibrant any longer to say, okay, let me look at this sector very well. No fit do am now. You know fit. Do you get the point now? We need to tell ourselves the truth. The earlier we tell ourselves the truth, the better for all of us. The so-called customs in Nigeria are not even doing the best thing. Do you get the point? The only thing they have there is only money. Probably like very dark man said, maybe this person got exposed as a result of not being able to give out the proper cash required of him or her. You get the point? That was why, they stormed the premises and began taking videos and posting it on the social media spaces. While this business has been going on for years. Do you get the point now? No wonder when I was in Nigeria, I was like, okay, you will take medicine. Sometimes it will take you like 3 days for you to get yourself. Even after going to lab, oh, you will still go to lab. They prescribe drugs for you. You go to pharmacy and buy the drugs. You will still take them yet. You still be wondering if actually you are treating yourself or you are even getting worse. But come off it, go to other countries. Ordinary paracetamol. Once you have headache, bam, just one paracetamol you will take. Immediately the headache will vanish instantly without wasting time. At the point I began to ask myself, is this the same medicine that we are taking here that they are being sent to Nigeria? I don't even understand. Is it not same paracetamol? You take paracetamol and your fever will vanish instantly. But it's in Nigeria and I try am. You even take what do they call it? Antibiotics in Nigeria. You still be wondering if actually you take antibiotics. Something you antibiotics a card you bought at the price of 5,000 naira. Then you be asking yourself, did you just waste money? Do you get the point? These are the results of what are causing lack of healthy, healthiness in Nigeria, and lack of, treatment of sickness. This is why isn't that our celebrities, the so-called Nigerian government, because they know exactly what is happening in society, which we ordinary citizens are not even familiar with. That is why whenever they get sick, they will leave Nigeria immediately. Boom, they will travel either to UK, London, Canada, or India for proper treatment. Some of them we might even choose to go to other African countries for treatment. They know best, they know exactly what is happening in the country. You get the point now? May God help us. So people are suffering of kidney issues here and there in Nigeria and other kinds of things. Then we keep wondering, even though that we have natural food compared to other countries, that mainly they are good, their food, they are being stored using chemicals to store them just for it to last for them. Yet we have fresh food, yet we are passing through kidney issues, cancers, and other kinds of sickness because of fake products. I don't know what the people that regularize products are doing in the country. I don't know. And then I say, what is your product? What is your work? What are they actually doing? The only thing that our politicians are after is just moving around, sharing money, this and that. The so-called security personnel, they're only after, young boys that are riding cameras, people that are doing well, snatching their phones, checking their phones, fighting themselves. Army fighting police. That's what has been trending since yesterday. Police fighting armies. Do you get the point now? All kinds of rubbish stuff is what is happening, and they neglect the main issue. The customs are only after looking at how to clear 40 feet container with 2 point something billion, or let's say something higher than that. They're only after their gain. They don't care about you and I lives. It is quite unbelievable. May God help his children. May God help us. Which we can this country be ever can this country listen to people? Can it be ever get better? I just want to know. What is your opinion, my God? Because so many things are going wrong in different wrong direction in the country. Starting from the even INEC chairman itself, politicians, government, everything in Nigeria is going in a negative way. Nothing is working properly. We keep hearing bad news every day. Imagine today there is a protest going on in Zamfara. I don't know if you guys are aware of it. Even though she want to equally expose the people behind banditry, killing, kidnapping, and illegal mining in the country. Some of these people are linked to retired generals. They are people that serve the country. They are people that are once in the government. Why are Nigerian securities not going after these people? They refuse to go after kidnappers that are both in the northern part of the country. Do you get the point? You cannot tell me that you cannot track them. They have a qualified number in which they are using to call their victims. Why can't the communication company track these people properly so they can be apprehended and the thing can be done so that people's life can be saved? Now people are wallowing in Nigeria, moving around in a chaos of fear, in a state of fear, because things have jeopardized Nigeria is too much. The thing that jeopardizes the security of the country is enormous. If you're running away from kidnapping, what of accident? Okay, if you're running away from accident, okay, fuel tanker might easily catch fire. So many kinds of things. Okay, what of police? If you say you are police, you are okay, you are safe, you are in the midst of security personnel, are you safe? They might easily start fighting themselves. At the end of the day, they might release gun and you might be a victim. Do you get the point? So many things are happening here. Which one can we talk and leave the other? Is it the government? Are they friendly to the citizens? Oh gosh, may God help his children. Honestly, things are really going in a very wrong direction in the country. My God, people, then what is your opinion regarding this? Please kindly tell us in the comment section your own opinion, what you have to say regarding this particular news you just watched. And please, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do well to subscribe. So make sure that please make you watch our updates. And don't forget to share this video, please, and react. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.